Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? I am Dan from Trading with Dan. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin 4-hour charts. So still not a lot happening, still in a very tight range here. Rejected from our resistance zone above, but I've only come back down as far as pretty much the midpoint of the range. So yeah, still in that period of low volatility, no break to the upside, no break to the downside, which is clearly what we are all waiting for at some point. Stock markets, they did get above their resistance area quite nicely, didn't manage to take out these recent highs here, but currently getting supported by the support level. So if they can consolidate here and then push on up through these highs here, and then yeah, again, like as I keep saying, we've got that shot towards 4,000 on the cards, and then see what happens then. See if we then get a pullback, see if we don't take out these lows, see if we have actually put in the lows for this bear market, or at least put a decent medium term low, and then we can continue higher, maybe even up towards this downward sloping trend line. Oil is easing off a bit. It is through its resistance area, which through its support, which does obviously does open up new lows now. I say new lows relative to this low here. Obviously it is reflecting a not so great macro environment, or a not so good environment in the real economy, as opposed to macro, which is capital markets, which are a bit detached from the actual real economy. But yeah, it not a good sign, not a real good sign there, if it's going to trade lower. However, obviously that is good for inflation, so everything is swings and roundabouts. DXY looking to try and break back above this horizontal here. If we break back above here, then yeah, that could look nice, could look good for a higher low relative to this low, and then yeah, we'll be gunning for new highs, taking out this high, and then potential continuation to the upside, taken out this high and onwards and upwards. So that is on the cards. There is potential more pain on the cards. 10-year looking increasingly like it wants to take another leg to the upside also, which wouldn't really be good. And if we look at the US dollar, Japanese yen, not looking good either here. So there are warning flags here. Obviously stock markets are holding up admirably in the face of those warning flags. However, obviously all we've got to do is break down below the support and trade, and then obviously trade lower, and then yeah, we could easily be looking for new lows. So yeah, all to play for. Seems to be in a bit of limbo at the moment. The risk factors are gradually mounting against us, but we're not having any real serious downside yet at the moment. So obviously that could be to come. So yeah, just got to keep an eye on these markets, wait for that expansion of volatility, and then see which direction it is coming in. So that is it, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.